Have you ever dreamed of the day that you can finally look at your bank account and just feel, secure and not scared? Proud of how far you've come instead of anxious about what's next? So many people work hard, earn a decent living, and still feel uneasy about money. Not because they're doing something wrong, but because they've never been taught how to make their money work for them. They're only surviving, not thriving. My name's Gary Glass. I started out as a plumber and later became an engineer and manager for NASA. And for years, even when I was making good money, I never felt secure. I'd get paid, the bills had hit, and that tight feeling in my chest had come back. Have you felt that? It wasn't until I started building assets, not just earning income, that finally started to feel proud of the money instead of scared of it. I've watched others go through the same transformation. They stopped being controlled by their paychecks and started taking control of their money. They built emergency funds, invested in assets, and watched their confidence just grow alongside the wealth. The day you stop living for payday and start building for peace is the day you finally feel secure. So if you're dreaming of that kind of peace, here's how to start. First, build a small safety net. It's not about the amount, it's about the amount of control that it gives you. Second, track your money. Awareness brings confidence. Third, invest in things that grow because wealth expands as you do. And finally, number 4, celebrate progress, not perfection. Security is built brick by brick by brick. If this dream feels like yours, you're not alone, and it's absolutely possible. So follow my page for real, practical steps to build wealth you can always be proud of. Then share this with someone who's working hard but still feels like they're falling behind. Because true wealth isn't just about money. It's about finally feeling safe, steady, and proud of what you've built.